So friends, let's see today's lovely delicious tomato koshimbir recipe, and I'm also going to show you how I make my roasted peanut powder at home. So let's start with the tomato koshimbir. Now here I've taken two large tomatoes and I've chopped them really fine. I'm going to add this to a mixing bowl. I'm going to add one medium sized onion chopped fine. Now mix the two really well together. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of roasted peanut powder. You can add as per your taste. And this peanut powder also is very easy to prepare. Next, I'm going to add some salt to taste. And I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of sugar. You can add the sugar and salt as per taste. Now mix everything really well together. Now I'm going to give a small tadka or a fodni. So I've taken half a tablespoon of oil, heated it up in a small pan or a cuddler, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon each of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida and turmeric powder. Now I'm also going to add one green chili that I've cut really fine, and we're going to fry this green chili really well. We're going to add this tadka or fodni to the koshimbir and mix everything really well together. This tadka really elevates the flavor of this koshimbir. And just garnish it with some kothambir or some cilantro or coriander leaves. And I like to keep this in the refrigerator, and it tastes really nice when it's served chilled. And this is a great accompaniment to, amti bhat or some pori bhaji. It's like a nice refreshing salad. It can be had all by itself too. And now moving on to how I make this roasted peanut powder. So I've taken about 2 cups of raw peanuts in a large pan, and we're going to roast this on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously. This took me about 5 whole minutes till the peanuts were nice and roasted. And you'll hear this popping sound as they get ready. And also the color of the peel will change to a darker brown color with black spots on it, so you know that it's ready. Now you can turn off your flame and let the peanuts cool down, in the pan itself. Not completely cool down, they should be a little bit warm. And then you transfer them to a large plate. Or I have this, lovely I think it's called soup in Marathi. I don't know what the English word for it is. Maybe you all can write it in the comment section below. And that way, I can easily just peel off the peanuts. Now, while they are warm, it's easier for the peel to come off. And you can also use a nice dry kitchen napkin like this to make the work easier. Try to get off as much of the peel as you can. Now, generally, once I peel them, I, sit on my kitchen floor and I do this. But right now, for the camera, I'm putting it on my platform. So just, kind of shake off the peanuts like this and then just blow away the peel. It's very easy to do that. You just have to, kind of lift or rather just, it's difficult to explain in words, but, just kind of get the peel of the peanuts and just blow away the peel so that all you're left with is this lovely peeled peanuts to make the peanut powder with. And these peanuts, you can, if you don't want to use them in a peanut powder, you can just keep them as a snack, as roasted peanuts. They taste delicious and they're pretty healthy too. So you can do this on your kitchen window, or you can just sit on the floor. That's what I generally do, and then sweep off all the peel. But try to get off all of the peel, or as much as the peel that you can. And I like to make about 2 cups, 1.5 cup of this peanut powder and keep it handy. You can use this for kanda batata rassa. You can use it for sabudana khichadi, sabudana vadas. You can use it to make tir gur. So it has a lot of uses in the kitchen. And I'll link all the recipes that I've used my peanut powder in the description box below. And now once we finished with getting off all the peel, generally I sweep it off the floor, but right now I'm just taking it all off my kitchen platform. And then we're just going to blitz it. You don't want to grind it, you want to blitz it. So you just blitz, stop. And you want a little bit of the peanuts also to be there. You don't want a completely smooth powder. So a little bit of the peanuts, pieces of peanuts, and you're all set to go. And your peanut powder is all ready. So do try out these 2 recipes and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.